Hello babies, I'm sorry I haven't been on YouTube for a while and my hair's looking a little crazy right now. I had it in like cornrow thing. Took it out 2 days ago and I've just been kind of like rocking the curliness. I've just brushed it out to try and give you guys a look of what's going on here. But yeah, I'm sorry I haven't been on YouTube. So basically I finished my foundation year in media. So due to the fact that I'm not there anymore and I'm back at home with my mum, I don't have any equipment, I don't have any recording, I don't have any lighting, editing, anything. I didn't even have a phone for like a month. I've literally just got a new one. So I'm actually able to record some stuff on my telephone. So I apologise for the quality, but you're gonna have me back. I know this intro is very, very long, but I just wanted to kind of say that I started off this YouTube channel doing tutorials, and today it's going to be the same thing, but I don't really see a lot of stuff on YouTube anymore to do with tutorials, and if it is, it's very extreme, and I can't keep up with things like that. I don't think I'm talented enough, and it's just not something I'm that passionate in. I'm doing an SFX course in September. I'll probably be more likely to upload SFX. I'm gonna wrap it up, but to be perfectly honest with you guys, I don't really want to do tutorials anymore. I'm more interested in vlogging and kind of getting my personality out there. I don't really know what I'm gonna do. Right, and back to the video. I'm gonna do a hair tutorial today. I'm just gonna give you like a brief catch. So I basically stripped my hair and did a bleach wash on it up to like close to my roots. Basically, I didn't do my roots, so I wanted to keep the darkness so it matched in with my eyebrows. And I basically went that light so that I could get pink in my hair, and I had a bright hot pink magenta. For a while actually. I'll put like a photo in somewhere, and I kept it for about a month. When it started fading, the ends started going light at first, but because of where the bleach is kind of a little bit orangey closer to the root, it started fading there as well, so I kind of had like a pink mass in the middle. I wasn't really a fan of it, so I wanted the fading process to go quicker. So I decided I didn't want to bleach it again, but I wanted to get the lightness out, so I started googling some home remedies. Basically wanted to get rid of the pink that was on the blonde already, but I didn't want to lighten the blonde as it was. I was happy with that colour. I just wanted to keep it light so that I could change the colour again easily. I wanted minimal damage, but I did what any normal person does, and I found the most corrosive things I could in my house. I'm literally embarrassed. Like, I cannot believe that I actually used this concoction on my hair. I thought like, yeah, minimal damage, like, yeah, good, like natural remedy, like, yeah. I used vinegar, anti-dandruff shampoo, fairy wash and milk liquid, bicarbonate soda, all of it on dry hair, mixed it up in there, left it on for 15 minutes. Nothing happened. So I decided to do a bleach wash on my very dry, nasty, disgusting hair, and now it feels like chewing gum. If you don't know what a bleach wash is, it's basically your normal bleach mix mixed with shampoo, just so you can get it through the hair easier, and it's a lot less damaging. Usually you go for like a 20 vol rather than like a 30 or a 40. I used a 30 though because I'm stupid, and yeah, so now my hair feels like chewing gum. So my hair's pretty yellow and I'm not very happy with the colour that it's at right now. I kind of don't want to touch it with any bright dyes until I really know exactly the colour that I want to go for. So I'm just trying to get a little bit more of a cool tone, or like a grey tone or an ashy tone, rather than this kind of yellowy blonde type of stitch. Like, it's quite orange here. So I just kind of want to tone that out, and I'm going to use hair dye. Well, let me show you babies what's going on here, okay? I've already used purple shampoos and stuff, and you can kind of see where I've put it on the top. It's not affected the bottom so much, but it's more affected these parts. I'm gonna go get in the shower now and wash my hair with an anti-dandruff shampoo just to get rid of any grease, so that when we make the toner and we put it on, it's not gonna be blocked by anything. And then I'm gonna towel dry my hair a little bit, and I will come back to you guys. Okay, so here we've got the products we're going to use. We've got a hair dye, an empty tub, a comb to brush it in with, and some conditioner. I did actually end up using a little bit of this conditioner as well, just because I ran out of the Tresemme, but any white conditioner will do. Any plain, standard white conditioner will do just fine. And this is basically just going to dilute the colour. So the hair dye that I've used is quite a deep blue, I mixed a little bit of pink in there just to make it more purple, just because I feel like purple toner seems to whiten the hair a little bit more, rather than give it like a tinge. So this is like the mix that you have now. You just want to keep in mind that this shade is already going to be lighter on your head, because one, you're only applying it for a short amount of time, you're applying it with conditioner, and it's going to come out 2 shades lighter than that anyway. So it's all good. And we've got some water on our hair, and I don't really mind having purple hair, to be honest with you. It's kind of cute colour. Okay, so here's me straight out of the shower, towel dried hair type of thing. I left it for about 15 minutes just to soak up a little bit of the water in the towel. I'm now basically sectioning my hair into 2 parts. So the top half and the bottom half, and I'm just going to tackle the bottom half first just because of the brassiness. I used the tint brush at first, but I ended up going straight in with my hands because it was a lot easier to do, rubbing it in like conditioner. After applying the colour, I left it to develop for 15 minutes. I then rinsed it out with lukewarm water in the shower to make sure the colour stays. Okay, so I have actually had a sneak peek. I saw it in the shower as well, and it doesn't look like it's going to be a good situation. It looks really bad, really mangy, really mouldy, really green. Not nice. There's probably more yellow in it now than there was before. Oh God. Look at that. It actually doesn't look too bad as it's drying, but it's just like when it's wet you can see so much more like pigment in it. It just looks gross. What did I do, man? What did I do? Look at that. I think it's orange and green now. Like, this is 10 times worse. I'm gonna go dry it quickly and then I'll get back to you. So it's not actually that bad. It's quite like a mint green kind of shade all over. There's still parts that are quite blue or green in there, and there's obviously a lot of white going on in here as well now. But for the most part, it's still ginger and brassy. It's now green. I put purple stuff in there. I don't really know how it happened. I don't hate it. I don't love it. I don't think there's a lot more we can do to salvage this video at this time, but try and figure out what had happened. So I think whilst I was mixing the hair dyes, I'd chosen 3 different brands. I'd chosen Manic Panic, Directions and Crazy Colour, and Directions and Manic Panic are both cream colours. So is Crazy Colour, but it's more of a runny product. And the colour that I specifically had is called Violet, but it comes out a very like greeny tealy colour. I just assumed because it said Violet on the front of it, it's going to be fine. Add it in with some blue, add it in with some pink, and it will make a nice purple shade and we'll love it. And clearly it went mouldy green. So don't listen to me. Don't take my advice, leave your hair how it is, or go to a salon, or buy some toner. I hope you guys enjoyed the video anyway. I know it didn't go to plan, but it was funny anyway, and I had a lot of fun doing it. We'll call it a pastel mint green mess. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Yasmin Rose Artistry and subscribe.